republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Today's high is 83 and today's low is 73 with a 50% chance of rain. Volleyball tryouts are coming up next week.
On October 9th through 10th.
Make sure you have your physical and come ready.
PSA, do not tear down any posters you see around campus. People who walked on them did extremely hard, so do not tear them down.
My name is Sherry Williams.
Hi, my name is Jana Khalil. Hi, my name is Vani Sue.
And we're running for secretary.
This is Avery Benson.
Hi, my name is Liliana Pioli.
Hi, my name is Abigail Pham.
And we're running for treasurer.
Hello, my name is Addison Pizzuti. Hello, my name is Austin Lancel.
Hi, my name is Liv Bell.
Hi, my name is Ellie Batunes.
Hello, my name is Clay Vining.
Hi, my name is Caesar Chatterton. Hey, my name is David Reichko.
And we're running for president.
Ellen Martin. Hi, I'm Mason Hollingshead.
Hi, Olivia Lynn. Hi, I'm Maria Billigan. Hi, I'm Dariana Chetwell.
And we're running for vice president.
Good morning and welcome to this edition of Keeping Up with the Explorers. So happy that you guys are joining us today. Before we get started, I just want to remind you guys that yesterday we celebrated our Students of the Month for September. Those Students of the Month were recognized for showing and exemplifying the A of our launch acronym. That A stands for Attitude Matters, and so for showing positive attitude throughout the month of September. This month in October, we're focusing on uplifting others. So opportunities to uplift others. Somebody's having a bad day, picking them up, giving them words of encouragement, see somebody drop their book bag or one of their items, giving them a lending hand. Anything you can do to uplift others will be recognized by your teachers, and ultimately you have an opportunity to win one of the Students of the Month spots. So definitely be looking for that through October. As you know, we're in the midst of Hispanic Heritage Month. As we celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month, it's essential to recognize the rich cultural contributions of Hispanic communities to our society. This month is the time to reflect on their history, achievements, and the diverse traditions that enrich our school and communities. We're going to be celebrating this month through Spirit Week next week. Spirit Week will have different themes throughout the week. Each day has a different theme. Monday is going to be Sports or Jersey Day, where you'll have an opportunity to show appreciation to Hispanic teams and players. So definitely participate in that. Tuesday will be Neon Colored Day. So we're going to shine bright for one another by wearing neon colors on Tuesday. On Wednesday, it's Flag Day. So if you have a flag of your background that you would like to represent, or you have any traditional clothing, there is going to be a parade in the courtyard that morning before class starts. On Thursday, Latinos in Action Day, we're going to show some unity by wearing red that day. So definitely find some red clothing that you guys have at home and show unity alongside Latinos in Action. And Friday, we're going to be doing the Yes We Can Day, where we're going to dress to impress. This is a professional dress day, so come out dressed to impress. Shirt and tie for the gentlemen, dress or slacks for the ladies. Definitely come professionally dressed on that day to show that you too can succeed here. So with all that being said, you guys are doing a great job to kick off the year. We're almost through the first 9 weeks, so don't lose your stamina as we get through the finish line for quarter one. Definitely be in communication with your teachers. If you check skyward and you see something that you want to bring up, now is the time to do that. So have a great day, be kind to one another, make good choices, and we'll see y'all next time.
Good morning, Explorers. I want to give you a little bit of history about myself. So I came to Florida when I was 2 years old from Puerto Rico. So I've been here for a super long time, but I won't give you my age. I went to college at the University of Central Florida, go Knights, and I also got my master's there too in educational leadership. I started my teaching career at Lee Middle School. It's now called College Park. I spent 7 years there, and then I was given the opportunity to be the testing coordinator and academic dean at East River High School. I did that for 2 years, And then Cypress Creek High School gave me my first assistant principalship, and I was there for 6 years. So I have now been an administrator here for 3 years, so that's a total of 9 years as an assistant principal. I love students and education and helping you guys with anything you need. So if you see me in the courtyard, don't be afraid to say hello. And if you have any questions, come see me.
Hey, who do we got here?
I'm Lily.
Awesome, Lily. What do you do?
I am the choir one representative.
Awesome. Are you signed up or doing any clubs?
I'm going to be doing the running club.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Martin. Hi, I'm Macy Hollingshead. Hi, Olivia Lynn. Hey, I'm Maria Billigan. Hi, I'm Brianna Chacron.
And we're running for vice president.
Shoot, I messed up, guys.